Hello class, this is problem number 3-1 on page number 76 of your book. When we read the problem, we see our givens here. Our givens are $3 million net income, $6 million earnings before interest and taxes, and our tax rate is 40%. And we're asked to find the interest. So what we'll do is set up an income statement and work from the bottom up. So we have our net income, that's a given. So all we have to do is we'll just enter formulas. That's the best way to do it. So we say to enter a formula, push your equals. That's the start of the formula, and then you just come over here and click on the cell and hit enter, and it brings the net income down to this cell. Our earnings before interest and taxes is also a given. So we have that. Now we need to find our earnings before taxes, and we have our tax rate as a given. Okay, the problem tells us to divide $3 million of net income by 1 minus the tax rate, which equals 60%, to find our pre-tax income. That would be our earnings before taxes. So let's just come over here and let's do that. We say equals our net income divided by our 1 minus the tax rate, which equals 0.6, equals 5 million. So we can just put this 5 million right here. Now our tax rate, our taxes are 40% of this 5 million. So we can find our taxes equal times, or equal, excuse me, our taxes, our earnings before taxes times our tax rate. It gives us 2 million. And you'll notice that our net income is the difference from our earnings before taxes and our taxes. So 5 million minus 3 million, 2 million equals 3 million. Now to find our interest would be just the difference between our earnings, our EBIT, and our earnings before taxes. So we can just say equals 6 minus 5 million, and our interest would be 1 million. We can highlight it. And there you go, and we've labeled it 3-1.